Hello everyone, you're welcome to OBN channel. Thank you for joining us in today's video. In today's video, we are going to be walking you through the basic thing you need to know about your industrial sewing machine. Starting from the exterior part, introduction to the exterior part, and basic interior part. Possibly before the end of the video, we are going to be walking you through how you can fix minor problems on your machine. So please, if you're new on this channel, please subscribe so you won't miss any information, vital information we are going to be dropping. And also please like and share the video so it could reach people who might need it. Thank you. Without wasting our time, we go straight into the introduction to the exterior part of your industrial sewing machine. Here we have our power switch, the on and off. Then always remember that your drawer is always at the left hand side of your machine. Then here we have the hand lifter. As you can see, you lift it here, then the effect here, the hand lifter. Then this is the knee lifter. The knee lifter, you lift it here, and that's the effect of what you're doing with your knee. Just when you are sewing your machine and you wouldn't want to use your hand to lift it, you can easily do that with your knee. Then we have the stitches adjustment control, where we adjust the stitch line. Taking reference from this point, you can decide to adjust your stitch adjustment control depending on how you want it to be. And here we have the hand wheel. This is the hand wheel. The bobbin winder here, it's used for rolling the thread. I am going to roll a thread for you to see. Meanwhile, this is the dual thread stand and the pole that supports your machine whenever you're bending it, just like you can see. Then this, the foot pedal. This is the foot pedal. The more you press, the more the speed of the machine. So now, in trying to reel a thread, we roll it like this, clockwise, in clockwise direction. Then we place it on the bobbin winder, place it on the thread stands, press it just the way I am doing it. Then you match, then you move the machine. So now just pay attention this way. Now to fix the thread in the machine, let's slide the slide plate, or let's remove this so you can see very well. So look at my fingers. My finger, you place your finger this way and remove your shuttle. When you do that, you place your thread. Can you see this? Place it inside your shuttle this way, such that it will roll clockwise, rolling clockwise towards your direction. Then look at how I'm holding it. You hold it this way and fix it in it. pay attention to this. In fixing this, can you see my hand? You roll this gently for beginners now. Ensure you roll it gently. We are trying to push in the needle in and out to bring in, to be sure that it's not hitting anything inside, to confirm that the shuttle is well fixed. It's okay. So sorry, we have to fix this slide plate back this way. It's alright. Just to ensure, to show you how you can fix it easily, you bend it diagonally, just the way I'm going to do it, this way, and push it in. We have it. So now we introduce our thread. This is a white thread, and we place the thread here. Note this can equally be here, it can be on any of these stand. Then we place it here, place it through this thread, and it's okay. So after that, we pass it through this pole, and here, then here, then we pass it through the thread tension adjustment control. Now I have to cut the thread diagonally, not straight most of the time. Then you pass it through the thread take-up lever this way. Other machines have a hook here where you can pass your thread this way, but in this case we pass it through this space provided. We pass it through the needle. Then in bringing the inner thread out of the machine, you hold this with your left hand. Most of the time it's possible with the left hand, depend on the hand you're using. Hold this and ensure that you roll this so your needle can go into the machine in and out gradually until your thread comes out this way. Can you see it? Watch closely. So this is it. Then you pass both thread to the back. Now remember, you can either use your knee lifter or the hand lifter to pass the thread to the back. So whichever one that is easier for you, you can do it. So we are done setting the machine. Now to try what we have set, we have a material here in the drawer. So we put our machine on, press the switch to put it on, and we are ready to work. So now look at the movement. Look at the stitching line and spacing, how big it is. We can increase or reduce that with, we can do that with the stitch regulator here. Then here we have the result compared to the formal one. You can see the difference. This is smaller, the spacing is smaller than what we have before. So we can navigate around the stitches with this. Keep watching. But when we tighten it more, more, okay, look at what we get. Okay, now again, let's try something different. Let's say we put it on 4 or 3.5. Let's see what we will get. This way, look at it. That's the difference. You can either reduce it to 2 or even less and have a different result. It's alright. So please try this on your machine and let us know the outcome on the comment section. So now it is important to take note of your stitches adjustment. So let's say you're making a native wear or traditional clothes, you can use a very tiny stitching space. Let's say 2, we can put it on 2 or lesser. Now I'm going to show you how you can resolve little problem on your stitches. Before then, please feel free to communicate to us through the comment section with your questions and comments. Can you see this, your stitch line, the dotted lines at the back of your stitches? So here, if you have this spotted line on your stitch at the back of your material, I'm going to show you a trick you use to solve this problem. You either tie this or you loosen this knot on the sewing. I repeat, you either tie this knot or you loosen this one on the sewing. Just loose it such that it will not be too loose. So now let's try it and see the difference, the effect. So we tighten this. Following this step, we tighten it to see the difference. Can we see? Is there any difference? We will take it gradual so you can see the process. Let's tie it again. Look at the formal, and what we have is reducing gradually. So let's do it again. Let's do it again. We tie it again and see the effect. Can you see? It's reducing. So that you can see it very well, we had to change the material and the thread. So we tie it again and see what we would have. Okay, can you see that is diminishing? So practice it on your machine and let us know what you have on the comment section. Next, whenever you have any issue of your machine cutting thread or running through this error, more like a first aid, what you need to do first is to remove your shuttle and clean inside both the shuttle and the pot. Around this place, all through, clean it and oil it. Clean and oil your shuttle. Thanks for your time. Let us know what you learned and what you want to learn in our next video on the comment section. However, we hope to bring up to you how you can easily adjust your hook timing in the next video. Thanks for your support. And clean inside both the shuttle and the pot. around this place all through. Clean it and oil it. Clean and oil your shuttle. Thanks for your time. Let us know what you learned and what you want to learn in our next video on the comment section. However, we hope to bring up to you how you can easily adjust your hook timing in the next video. Thanks for your support.